This one has got sine and cosine, and they're not squared, so this one is going to involve this identity here, okay? And I know it makes it look harder, but the 3 theta plus 20 and that coefficient there are nothing to worry about. So as long as these two angles are the same, this identity will still hold. So I want sine over cosine, so I'm going to divide through by the cosine 3 theta plus 20. I'm not going to divide through by the 4, because I actually want to keep that on the right-hand side. So it's going to be 4 root 3 sine 3 theta plus 20 over cos 3 theta plus 20, and that equals 4. So that ends up equaling tan 3 theta plus 20, and then I'm going to divide through by the 4 root 3. So 4 divided by 4 root 3. If you put that into your calculator, it will automatically rationalize the denominator for you, but I don't really need that, so because I'm just going to now put that straight into my calculator. So 4 over 4 root 3, or 4 root 3 over 12, which would be, I think, 1 over 3 root 3. No, sorry, something like that anyway. Right, so I'm going to inverse tan that, and that's going to give me values of 3 theta plus 20. And it's really important that I write that. I don't just write theta or x. So I'm going to inverse tan that and get 20 degrees. Sorry, no, I'm not going to inverse tan that and get 30 degrees. Then it's tan, so I'm going to add 180 to get my second solution. Now, if I want to check how far I can go, so the original values for theta they wanted were anything from 0 to 180 inclusive. So if I want to check what possible values of 3 theta plus 20 I can get, I just need to multiply that by 3 and add 20, and multiply that by 3 and add 20. Okay, so I can actually go all the way up to 560 degrees. So if I now add 180, that takes me up to 390, so that's still going to be going to give me a correct value of theta. If I go to the next one, it takes me up to 570. Okay, so that's going to be too big because I can only go up to 560. Right, and then it's really just a case of being very careful with the simplifying. So if I've got 3 theta plus 20, I want to minus 20 to get my values of 3 theta. And then I want to divide each of those by 3. So 10 over 3, 190 over 3, and 370 over 3. And depending on how they've asked the answers, right, so they have asked them to 1 decimal place, so I would then need to put those into the calculator. Okay, so that's going to give me 10 divided by 3, 1 decimal place, that's 3.3, 190 divided by 3, so 63.3, and 370 divided by 3. Okay, and that's all of my solutions.